How to configure a new assignment type in AssureAI. For this, you can go into this configure assignment type menu. The set of assignment types that are already pre-configured are listed here. You can either add one from the scratch or clone one and make the changes. Let's see how to add a new assignment type. It's a 4-step process. Give it a name. The applicable frequencies, you can select multiple frequencies as well. In this case, it's an annual process, so select annual. Statuses for which it is applicable, the client statuses can be selected here. You can group assignments under a group, that's optional. Whether you want to track issues for this assignment type, checker approver applicability. So you can either go for maker checker approver workflow or maker checker maker approver. It's entirely left to you. In this case, I would like to go for maker checker approver framework. So I make both of them applicable. If you have checklists already created, you can link them here. I don't have it right now, so I'll do it later. Whether you want to be able to customize it later on, so you can say yes to this. Whether this assignment, if it's applicable to multi-division clients, will it need to be conducted at a parent level? So this flag I want to set. Whether the same thing should be conducted at a division level also, I say no to this. For recurring assignments like this one, AssureAI can automatically plan assignments. The first time you have to plan, but subsequently AssureAI can be left to plan it on its own. So if you want that feature, you can select this. If not, you can keep it unselected. If you want to auto create assignments, how many days after the period end date would you like to create it? So I want to create this 10 days after the period end date. And when it creates the assignments automatically, whether AssureAI should copy the previous period assignee or leave it blank. That can be selected over here. What is the due date? Typically for individual IT return filing, it is July end. So from the period end date, which is March end, it is April, May, June, July. So 4 months and 0 days. This will be used to populate the due date when you plan an assignment. Save and proceed. In step number 2, you can configure the evidence documents that you will need to upload as part of this assignment. So in this case, I want to collect, let's say, Aadhaar, mandatory. I would like to also collect their property purchase receipts, which is not mandatory. Bank statement, that is mandatory. What are the list of steps to be followed in conducting the assignment? Can be configured as custom tasks here. Once this is done, you can proceed to the next step, wherein you can select the list of status codes that are applicable to this assignment type. As you can see, there is a set of substatuses also under pending. So I can select these. In progress, filed and complete. There may be tasks which are not part of the assignment but are to be taken up a few days after the completion of the assignment. The follow-up task framework in AssureAI allows you to configure those tasks. So here, for example, intimation under section 143 can be configured to get triggered 5 days after the assignment is completed and to be completed within 30 days. Based on this, the system will set the target date. This attribute tells the system to mandate upload of document when the user completes this follow-up task. And here, by setting this on, the system will automatically assign the follow-up task to the original maker of the assignment. Let's add one more. Follow-up tasks are not mandatory for every assignment type. You can choose to leave them unconfigured, not to add any follow-up tasks. Here the document is not mandatory. So this completes step number 4 in assignment type configuration. You can click finish, which will take you back to the list of assignment types where you can see the new type which you just configured. Thank you for watching.